How do we really see what's in front of us? How do we focus upon what's there and avoid our imaginations taking over? When we think we've fully observed the product we're studying, and we think we're ready to start putting pen to paper, we need to look for a little bit longer. So what are we looking for? We're looking for any features that stand out. We're looking for shapes. What does the outline shape look like? Can we see any shapes in the surfaces of the object? Do any of the edges form a shape? Is the shape narrower at the top or the bottom? We're trying to see proportions. In other words, how does the width relate to the height? Is it wider than it is tall? We're looking for the relationship between features. Is it twice as wide as it is deep? Do the three edges converge evenly, or does one taper more aggressively than the others? What's the angle between these two lines? How do these two faces relate to each other? These are all questions we should be asking ourselves as we're trying to understand the shape we're looking at. We're trying to note all of the reference points. We're looking for vertical lines. We're looking for horizontal lines. Are there other lines that relate to these? If so, at what angle? Are they longer? Are they shorter? When we start putting pen to paper, we need to work in light construction lines. The benefit of this is that we can continue drawing construction lines until we're happy that they're in the right place. Since they're so light, it doesn't matter if we end up with lots of them on the paper. The key is to keep laying them down until we're happy that we can pick one of them out as the line we're after. Not only are we looking at our construction lines as we're drawing them, we're also constantly referring back to the object we're observing. We're trying to match what we're producing to what we're looking at. We're continually asking ourselves if the drawing that's unfolding on the paper in front of us fairly and accurately represents the object we're observing. How do we evaluate our success in replicating what we can see? We refer back to the features, the lines, the edges, the faces, the shapes, the angles, the relationship between surfaces, the outline, and the proportions. We look to see if the ones we've drawn match the ones we see when observing the object. If some don't, we simply add more construction lines and pick out the ones that are correctly positioned. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to see more, subscribe and click the notifications tab. That way you'll be the first to hear of my next video. Find out a bit more about me and the behind the scenes action on Instagram at Product Designer Maker. Download resources from www.productdesignermaker.com and find me on Facebook. Thanks for watching.